Apple's latest financial report for the fourth quarter shows that the iPhone 15 is doing exceptionally well in the market. Meanwhile, Samsung is a bit disappointed with the sales of its Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, even though they are better than their previous versions. There have been rumors that Samsung might speed up the release of its next S-series flagship to compete with the successful iPhone 15, which has been one of the top phones in 2023. Reports from a South Korean source, SBA Biz, seem to confirm this speculation, suggesting that the Galaxy S24 is indeed coming in early January. The impact of the strong sales of the iPhone 15 isn't just about the release date, it's also influencing the location of Samsung's Unpacked event. The last Unpacked event was held in South Korea, but the decision to move it back to the United States is quite significant. This change aligns with the trend of recent high-profile events being held in the US or Europe. According to SBS Biz, the Galaxy S24 series is expected to be officially unveiled on January 17, 2024, in San Francisco, USA. This decision is reportedly confirmed and preparations for the launch are underway. Depending on the specific market, the Galaxy S24 models will be powered by either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 2400 chipset. Reports also suggest that all models, especially the Galaxy S24 Ultra, may feature titanium sides in their design. However, the overall design of the phones is likely to remain quite similar to their predecessors. That's it for this video. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel so you can stay updated on our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay well.